Hello friends! My name is Solvita. Today we are going to play a fun game called Find the Extra Item. I will show you pictures and your task is to guess which one is different. Are you ready? Let's start. Look carefully. Apple, banana, pear and carrot. Which one is extra? That's right, the carrot, because the carrot is vegetable and the others are fruits. Great job! Look here, calf, sheep, horse and car. Which one is extra? Correct, the car, because the others are animals. Great job! Great job! Now let's move a little. If the tasks were easy, clap your hands 3 times. If they were difficult, stomp your feet with me. Wonderful! Now let's look. Who is extra in this picture? Can you find it? Correct! The tractor is extra here. It is a ground type of transport, while the helicopter, hot air balloon, and rocket are air transport. Well done! Let's move. Here the task is more difficult. Find it. What is extra here? Yes, that's right. The triangle is extra here. You see 3 circles. They are one type of shape, and the triangle is a different type of shape. Well done. Let's move. Now let's warm up a little and dance. Dance with me. Great job! You are doing very well. Move faster and faster. That's right. Well done. Let's continue. Look carefully at the screen and find the extra item. Here. Correct, the fish is extra here, even though it is yellow. Well done. Let's move. Now let's open the wardrobe and find the extra item. What do you think? Which item is extra among these things? Correct. The strawberry is extra here because all the others are clothing. Well done! Let's continue. Now let's remember all the extra objects you find today. Carrot, broccoli, car, mouse, elephant, tomato, triangle, fish, star, strawberry, and backpack. You see how many objects you found today and how many new things you learned. Now I have an interesting task for you. Let's draw me together. Quickly take a sheet of paper, but first don't forget to pause the video. Take a sheet and a pencil, and we will draw. First, you draw the head like this. Don't worry if it doesn't work the first time. Try again and ask a parent to help if needed. Now let's draw the body, like this. Well done! You are doing great! Now I need the wings. Draw wings like this. You are doing very well. Let's draw the legs, actually the paws. Like this we draw them. Well done! You are doing great! Now let's draw the eyes, like this. Nice big eyes I have. You are doing very well. And the beak. Let's draw the beak. A small triangle will be perfect. Well done! You are doing great! And final, let's draw the glasses. 2 circles and little lines between them. Look how beautiful the oval turned out. Well done! You are doing great! Today you worked very well. You learned many new things, drew a beautiful oval, and found many extra objects. Great job! Give the video a like, subscribe to Little Linguist School, and tap the bell so you don't miss new fun games and lessons. See you very soon. Bye bye.